Tracking the vaccine now, one of the state's largest hospital systems started giving out vaccines to those in phase 1B this morning, and plans are already in the works to expand the distribution over the coming days. The only problem, they could use more doses. Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland breaks it all down.
Yale New Haven Health already has a number of locations up and running, and this is just the start. Over the next week, it's going to add a number of new vaccination clinics, including the Floyd Little Athletic Center here in New Haven.
Each vaccinator can vaccinate one patient every 5 to 10 minutes. So, and we're going to be open 12 hours a day. So we're planning initially on 4 vaccinators, so that's about 500 a day. But again, depending on vaccine availability, we can scale up.
It's hosted plenty of big basketball games and championship track meets, but starting next Monday, Yale New Haven Health and the city of New Haven will turn the Floyd Little Fieldhouse into a COVID vaccination clinic.
We have the staff, we have the technology, we have the pharmacists, we have the nurses. What we need is vaccine.
Yale New Haven Health System is administering 1B vaccines for those 75 and older at locations in North Haven, Orange, Old Saybrook, Trumbull, Fairfield, and Greenwich. We're told more than 10,000 people already signed up. And on Friday, they'll open 2 high-output vaccination sites, one at Yale's West Campus in West Haven, and another in New Haven at Yale's Landman Center, where the signs are already up alerting patients where they'll need to go. In addition to the Floyd Little Athletic Center, next week Yale will also open large clinics at Mitchell College in New London, the Parsons Government Center in Milford, and the Brunswick School in Greenwich.
It's really important for the public to understand is that we are going as fast as we possibly can.
In fact, Yale New Haven says it's getting about 5,000 first dose vaccines a week. And while Connecticut is doing a good job getting them into people's arms, it's at the mercy of the federal government on just how much they'll get. Yale feels it could easily scale up to 10 times the number of vaccinations a week. But until then,
while we're waiting for that hope to become a reality, we have to socially distance, we have to wear masks, we have to wash our hands, and we have to continue to be good citizens.
Right now, vaccinations are first come, first serve for those 75 and older, but Yale says you need to make an appointment. You can do that online. We've got the link and all the information on the Channel 3 app. Reporting in New Haven, Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.